First time diving, oh my gosh, it was like jumping out of an airplane for me again. You know, it was just that feeling of adrenaline, and after that point, yeah, I get tunnel vision and I just want to go to work and I just want to work, you know? It's fun.
I've always been a female that works in male-dominated industry. Work smarter, not harder is kind of the motto you have being a female, and it's amazing how you can outwork using mechanical advantage. The female students, you get to empower them and watch them on this journey as they kick ass and take names.
When I can get in that helmet and I can go down and I can do a better job than the two people before me who are both males, because I'm thinking differently than they are and I'm working differently than they are, is super empowering, you know? They keep on telling me, no, you can't do it, you can't do it. Well, tell me I can't, well, I'm gonna work even harder, you know? Prove to them that I can, and not only prove to them, but prove to myself. I'm having so much fun just being here and doing this every day. This is what I want to do for the rest of my life, honestly. This is what I want.
If you love diving, you are passionate about being underwater, about working with your hands, being outdoors, having a job that's changing, that's exciting, it's a great place. And you know, you can go on to do great things.